In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll be scheduling straight from your inbox with clean invites or easy booking links without any back and forth. First, open Gmail. The desktop version gives you the most complete calendar options, but the mobile app also supports the basics. Next, click Compose to start a new message. In the email window, look along the toolbar at the bottom for the small calendar icon. On some accounts, it may be labeled as an invitation tool or show meeting options. If you don't see it, expand the toolbar with the plus icon. This is the key to connecting your message to Google Calendar. Click the calendar icon to see two powerful choices: create an event or share available times. Choose Create Event if you already know the date and time. A panel opens where you can name the event, pick start and end times, and confirm your time zone. The people in your to, CC, and BCC fields are automatically added as guests, and you can include a location, a Google Meet video link for virtual meetings, and a description with an agenda or materials. You can also set a reminder so nobody forgets. When you save, Gmail inserts a tidy event card into your message. When you send the email, your guests receive the invite and can RSVP. The event is placed on everyone's calendars and stays synced. If you don't have a specific time yet, choose Share Available Times. A mini calendar appears so you can select the days and a time range you're free, then set a meeting length, like 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Double-check the time zone if you and your recipient are in different regions. Gmail inserts a booking grid into your email. When the recipient clicks a slot, Google Calendar creates the event for both of you and sends confirmations. Your existing events are respected so you won't be double booked. With multiple recipients, the first person to claim a time gets it, and the others see updated availability. Before sending, write a clear subject and explain the purpose of the meeting. If you created an event, highlight the key details and attach any files from Drive. If you shared availability, mention any limits, like times valid this week only, and consider adding buffers around other commitments. That's all it takes. Open Gmail, compose your message, use the calendar icon or meeting options, and either create an event or share available times. It's simple, fast, and keeps your email and calendar perfectly in sync.